In this video, I am going to show you how to process a credit card transaction using your terminal from 360. So you'll come into the work order that you are ready to finalize, and you'll go ahead and go through all of the normal steps. You'll come in and hit print and finish. You'll hit invoice. Once you get to this screen, the way to process the credit card is you will come down here to where it says validate credit card, and you will hit that button. Go ahead and process the card. Once you process the card and the customer removes their card, it will come back to here showing you that the transaction has been processed. And if successful, you can go ahead and hit OK. And then it will put that amount right here at the top where you can see that Visa with the authorization code and the penny that went through. Once that is processed and you've got that there, you can go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and be able to finalize that ticket. Just make sure that your change due up here above shows 0 so that it shows that it processed the full amount of your invoice, and then you should be good to go.